I'm so excited. I've got Astrid here. She's from The Sweet Rebellion.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's so lucky to have you. She's come to help me make some rainbow coconut ice for my daughter's birthday party this week.
Looks beautiful.
This is Everyday Baking with Grace Stevens. So Astrid, this is super easy, and I know you do nice sophisticated baking.
I do a few easy posts.
Yeah, so this is super easy. This is no bake. We're just gonna throw everything together and mix it up. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with 500 grams of icing sugar, 200 grams of coconut, and we just mix that all together. And this is the fun bit. Condensed milk. And I'm gonna say I'm gonna let the birthday girl lick out the can. Because that's just her privilege. Look at that.
That looks so
I
good.
just love condensed milk.
Who doesn't?
Get as much of it in there as I can. And then we mix.
Is that it?
Do you want to mix?
Okay, I'll mix.
Okay.
Give me the hard stuff to do.
Yes, this is the hardest part of the recipe. To mix all of that in there. So Astrid, The Sweet Rebellion.
The Sweet Rebellion.
It sounds just something that would just fascinate me. So how did you come up with the name?
I actually used to be called Blissfully Domestic.
Ooh.
And then I decided it didn't feel right. Yeah, it was a bit too housewifey.
Yeah.
So my husband came up with the name The Sweet Rebellion. So
Stunning!
yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. And I loved your Easter posts this past Easter. They were just so cool. Really nice. So if you want Astrid's Sweet Rebellion, The Sweet Rebellion, is in the description below. Right, so now what we're going to do is once it's all combined, we're going to divide it into 5 little bowls like this, and each of them is going to be coloured a different colour. So there it is, and we divide it into 5 because we've got 5 different colours. And then Astrid, you're going to have to get in there because my hands are so lacquer sticky.
Okay.
And put some, let's do some pink. Let's start off with pink.
Perfect.
So we just put a couple of drops in there, and you have to use your hands for this.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
So Astrid, I bet you didn't think I was going to make you work so hard.
I didn't.
Okay, but now I promise you, this is harder. No, I'm really joking. So we're going to start with a pink, and we're just going to pop it into this tin. This is a 15 centimeter square tin. And I'm just going to pop it in there, and then smush it so that it fills the bottom of your tin.
Okay.
And you want to get it nice and flat, and the easiest way to do that, as I'm sure you are very used to, is just using a flat bottom glass over there. So you're going to pop that in there, and then just smushy smush until it's all, that's my technical term.
Smushy smush.
Smushy smush.
Absolutely.
And the kids love to do this, Astrid. Are you taking notes?
I'm taking notes.
Okay. Kids love to do this. They love the bright colours. And of course make it a little extra so they can nibble while they're doing this.
For sure.
And then we just carry on adding our layers. One thing you have to do is you have to get your muscles out and really smush this down so that it like fuses, the layers fuse into one. And then we're going to leave this to set for about 3 or 4 hours. But lucky for us, Astrid, I have made one before. So here we go. And I just ran a knife around the edge of the tin and pulled it out like this. And look how awesome that is.
It's amazing.
Oh, I love rainbows. I think they're so cool. And then I've just put some butter on this nice big knife so that just helps to cut through easily. There we go. Oh, look at that.
Gorgeous.
Isn't that so cool? Do you want to try some?
Sure.
I know you've been dying to.
I have. Kept me waiting long enough. Thank you.
delicious.
It's good.
And it's
Really
so nice and trendy with the rainbows. Thanks for coming to join me.
Thank you for having me.
Have you. And happy party if you like that.
Give it a like.
And don't forget to check out Astrid on The Sweet Rebellion in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe.
Or not.
Hey!